So question 13, we've got results of the time it took an operator at a call centre to answer 90 calls. And we've got time in seconds on the left, and we've got a cumulative frequency table here on the right. And we've been asked to describe what's wrong with what's been drawn. Well, if we were going to plot this line, there have been 4 calls which have taken individually up to 10 seconds to answer. When you do a cumulative frequency table, the result of 4 should be plotted at the highest value of the group, which is roughly there at the 10 point. Equally, the 25, yes, that's correctly plotted, but that should be here at the end of the 20 point. And the 30 point should be the 70 mark, which is here. The 40 should be the 88 mark, which is here. And finally, the 50 ought to have that mark of 90. So the plot should look much more like that. So what else is wrong? Well, if you look to the x-axis, we don't have a scale. This needs seconds to correctly complete the histogram. And that is your answer.